So boys, after doing question of page number 187, please open your notebook, prepare your pages. You have to write activity. Today we are going to draw. We are going to draw bar graph of pocket money of these kids. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids. Ali get pocket money of rupees 500. Rizwan get pocket money of rupees 550. Sana get rupees 700 as pocket money. Sonia get rupees 600 as pocket money. Rida get rupees 650. Can you see 500, 550, 600, 650 and then 700? It means there is a gap of 50-50. So we have to draw the bar graph on this side, okay? What I will do, I will draw a horizontal line and write the names Ali, Rizwan, Sana, Sonia, Rida. And then I will draw the vertical line and then we'll write the money 500, 550, 600, 650 and 700, okay? So let me draw these lines. So boys, here you can see I have written bar graph of pocket money. And this is the vertical line 0, 500, 550, 600, 650 and 700. And I have written over here pocket money. And here you can see boys, these are the names Ali, Rizwan, Sana, Sonia, Rida. But I have not drawn the bars. You have to check. If Ali pocket money is 500, then you have to draw the bar height with 500. And you have to check and draw it by yourself because it is your activity. Okay. I had told you how to draw where to draw the money and where to draw the names. Okay. So you have to draw the bars by yourself, and if you like you can color those bars. Now we have to do another question as an activity. It is draw a line graph of temperature change in given months. There are the months January, February, March, April, May. These are the 5 months. So boys, what I will do, I will draw a graph, a vertical and a horizontal line. First I will write temperature change, line graph of temperature change, and on the horizontal line I will mention the months January, February, March, April, May, and on the vertical line I will write temperature. Okay. So boys, you have seen I have written line graph of temperature change, and here you can see, let me drag the page, that on the horizontal line I have written months name January, February, March, April, May, June, and on the vertical line I have written temperature starting from 0 and then 14, 16. There is a difference of 2. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 and 34. Because you can see the minimum is 14 and the maximum is 34. Okay. So I have written, but here you do not have to make the bars. Here you have to draw the point. At January the temperature is 16 degree. So here you can see this is 16 degree and this is January, and you have to draw the point over here. Let me show you January and 16. So here the point. And then you will draw the point like this. Okay. And after drawing the point, then you will join those points with the help of scale. Okay boys, so your classwork for today was to do 2 questions of exercise 8a, 1 and 2nd on the book, and then these 2 questions means your activity on your notebook. Okay. And I have helped you how to do it, but you have to draw it by yourself. And your homework is you have to do those 2 questions on your notebook.